Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Network and Internet, then Proxy. Click to view both automatic and manual sections so you can compare values. This helps identify why traffic is failing. Once done, enable Automatically Detect Settings, first to see if Windows fixes the route. You should also temporarily disable any third-party VPN or firewall because they often override proxy settings and can mask the real issue while you test changes. Now move to the Manual Proxy section and toggle Use a Proxy Server on if you must set specifics. Enter the proxy address and port exactly as provided. Mistyped ports or host names break connectivity. Make sure to add local addresses and IP ranges to the bypass list so internal resources aren't routed through the proxy. Once configured, click Save and then run a quick browser test. This verifies that DNS and routing behave as expected after your edits. Finish by flushing DNS with ipconfig/flushtons and restarting the network adapter or PC to apply changes. This clears stale routes. Then test with a browser and use Ping or Tracert to confirm traffic takes the correct path. If it still fails, switch back to automatic detection to isolate the issue, verify proxy credentials and authentication method, and confirm the proxy server is reachable. If problems persist, contact your network administrator. They can check server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.